Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you how to fix the issue when you cannot add card to your Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your questions. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your Apple Pay is supported in your region or country. As of December 2024, Apple Pay is only available in select regions. So make sure you are on that list. Not all banks or card issues support Apple Pay. Check with your bank to make sure your card is compatible. Make sure your device is running on the latest version of iOS or your watchOS, macOS or version OS. Set up required security features like ensure that you have Face ID, Touch ID, Optic ID or a passcode. These are required for Apple Pay to function. Check your internet connection perfectly, that your internet connection is working. Now you have to check Apple system status. Sometimes the issue is on Apple's end. Visit the Apple system status page to check if Apple Pay services are temporarily down. And you might have hit the card limit. Up to 12 cards for iPhone 8 and newer, up to 8 cards for older models. To remove a card, open the wallet app on your iPhone, then tap the card, tap the three dot icon, choose remove this card, then try adding it again. And lastly, you have to restart your device. And make sure you are not using any VPN, because VPNs might interfere with Apple Pay's ability to verify and card details. And if there is still issue still persists, contact your bank account and Apple support. Those are the steps to troubleshoot when you cannot add a card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if this helped you out. Until next time, goodbye, take care, see you.